So we're in the Wolf Point Plaza parking garage on like level 4. She's going over there just to look. You can see the water right there. So I think, I don't know which way we are. I'm thinking the park is towards the right she is. I don't know. So I'm thinking that's the Holiday Inn over there. I don't know. We really have no idea where we're at. Okay, so that's Kirkland and Alice. That's the one thing that all those seats are reserved. Okay. This is the Holiday Inn. So different than the one we stayed at Lollapalooza. So this is kind of like a dead end.
No different?
No, I said a lot different.
Because I was like, holy, we will have different experience.
The one at Lollapalooza was like a building that was like 100 years old. This looks definitely way more contemporary.
This is more like what we stayed in LA.
Okay, so that's offices, so we went down here. Like I think 5 o'clock, close to 5. We're in the lobby. Is it like 2 different hotels? I'm so confused. Why does that say Holiday Inn and why does that say Voco? Because we're like at the Holiday Inn. So confused. All right, I couldn't record coming up because of everything I was carrying, but we're gonna walk out later and I'll record it. So from the ground, from street level, we take an elevator that only goes up to the 15th floor. We get off on 15th floor where there's another lobby. And then we have to take a different elevator to get to the 18th floor. We're on the 18th floor right now. This is our room. This is the weirdest thing ever. So this is 2 Holiday Inn hotels. It's a Holiday Inn, which I'm in, and then the other one, was it called Voco?
Something like that.
And so I asked the guy, what's the difference? So the Holiday Inn has a couple floors, and then Voco has a couple floors, but they're both by Holiday Inn. They just have different stylings of the room. So this is the Holiday Inn version. We're on the 18th floor. Did you get some? We might not have forks. So this is our view of the pool. So this is a nice room though. So I don't know the exact price because I did use reward points. I did use reward points, so I don't know what this room normally is, but this is definitely way nicer than the Holiday Inn that we stayed at for Lollapalooza. So
we could hold hands across the room.
yes, there's so much more space. We got space over there. Yeah, this is nice. I am gonna turn this AC to 72.
Turn it off 55.
I gotta get my glasses. I can't see that. Okay. So anyway, here's the bathroom. I gotta put my cheaters on so I can see that. Yeah, overall I think this is very nice. And like I said, I'll record the whole how us get down and all that in a minute. All right, this is our room. Down there, that's the 15th floor. What do you think? It's the top hotel. Okay, so we have to take the elevator down. We're on the 18th floor. We have to take it down to the 15th floor. On the 15th floor, we then have to get in a different elevator
That's the bar if they
to
serve
take it.
espresso martinis.
I think the elevator was this way. Is this way?
We're lost.
I couldn't get anywhere without Haley.
It's truly
And I almost had to go on this trip on my own because Haley was crashing out and was trying to abandon me.
Where?
This trip. You were trying to not go.
What strip?
This trip.
Oh, yeah.
There it is. Market shop.
We're now on row 15. There's the bar. We have to go to the next set of elevators. You what? Well, we're not getting it now. You can ask later on when we come back. Looks like they have a full bar. They can probably make anything.
When you're about to run into the bean.
There's snacks over there. What are you saying?
The bean.
Alright. Now we're going down. This is our next set of elevators.
Okay, got all my questions for you.
Okay, so we just went from the 15th floor. Now we're back down to 15th floor to the street level. So now we're back down in the main lobby. And we're walking out with all these people.
I bet it's like a twink with some roses.
I thought it was a girl earlier. I know it's not. I'm literally recording. Imagine he's gonna have to take all this out. They left you.
No, I'm kidding.
They won't go far.
They went down. Won't go far. No dinner.
Alright, so now we are out. So this area is split into two. These are offices, that's the hotel. It's two separate areas. And then across the street is where we parked. And I'm going to stop recording for a minute. Over there, we parked under that building over there. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording for now. Alright, it's 1:44. Our park play time is 2 to 6. As you can see, everyone is just hanging around. It did start raining about 10 minutes ago. So it's probably gonna rain the first 2 hours of us going down here. So this is the Go Rocket area first. So we're gonna walk down here. So you can see get some pictures of here and stuff. There's the fountain over there. Okay, watch your step. There's a charging bank if you need to charge your phone. No, we're just gonna have the guy do it down here. Alright, there are the leaders. Alright, so we're going down here. Alright, we have just, this is our hotel. This is the Holiday Inn. And the Wolf Point Plaza. We just took our suitcases to our car. And now we are going back to the park because we have to wait in line for the Pokemon store. I didn't do my pre-merchandise pickup yesterday because it was a long line and I did not want to waste my park day picking up stuff. So, which way do we go? Do you want, do we go this way?
See if we can go this way.
Well, which way do
There's
you...
like the pretty grass.
Didn't we go this way yesterday? No, we went that way.
I'm sure you can go around this way.
Okay.
We'll just walk and see.
Well, this hotel is definitely in a much nicer area to look at. Which one is this? I think that's the, I don't know what that is. It might be because there's people hanging out here. Anyway, just a nicer area. But the other one, even though the other one was technically only a couple blocks away.
Like on this side.
Wherever you want to. But I think we took this bridge before, so we're just gonna take this bridge again. Okay, so I'm gonna stop recording for a minute and look at my Pokemon. It's so pretty. I really do like Chicago. This way. Oh, is there? Look, there's people on a paddleboard down there. Alright, we're just waiting for a minute while she gets her Pokemon ready. But isn't that cool that you can see the reflection of the other buildings in that building?
I took 5,000 pictures and not a single thing showed up in them.
What? You do with him with the buddy picture and you got nothing?
Yeah.
But you have City Park experience today.
Oh, now it showed up. The fuck? I have to take 7 photos.
It shouldn't. I don't.
He has a gold crown.
Yes. And when we get in a different district, it'll be different.
What? You said do two was it?
You can do two. I do two because it's a free Pikachu with a tear and it could be shiny. So each district, each area, you can do it. It's Sunday. Sorry, June 7th. So today we just have the City Park ticket, not the because you can only do Park Play once, so just City ticket. But we have to go back to the park to get my pre-order merchandise. And then we're just gonna go to the Harry Potter store and a K-pop store, and then eat, and then head home. Oh, there's people kayaking.
Why would you do that?
I don't know. I kind of want to do it now. Let's go rent kayaks. Oh, here's another one right here. Dude, we gotta move to Chicago and kayak. Oh, there's tons of people down here. Look, this is a thing. Did you know this was a thing, the kayak in Chicago?